Electric bikes often live or die by their throttle tuning. The Anthem 72V air-cooled motor is a masterclass in linear delivery. In eco mode, it's a docile kitten, perfect for wet roads, but click it into sport and it delivers a punch that belies its 20 horsepower peak. With 250 pound-feet of torque at the wheel via a 4.7-to-1 gear ratio, the 0 to 30 mile-per-hour sprint happens in just 1.1 seconds. It's addictive. You will beat every car off the line without even trying. The handling is where the Anthem's aerospace-inspired stainless steel box frame shines. It feels incredibly rigid and communicative. Because the 4.3 kilowatt-hour battery is mounted so low, the center of gravity is floor level, making the bike feel even lighter than it is. It tips into corners with the urgency of a 125cc pit bike, but stays remarkably stable mid-corner thanks to the Pirelli Diablo Rosso IV rubber. The suspension, inverted front forks, and an adjustable rear monoshock are tuned for the city. Firm enough to feel the road, but plush enough to soak up the manhole covers that usually rattle your teeth on smaller bikes.